When we talk about tasting, we don't talk only about wines and foods. We are talking about culture. We are talking about the memory of humanity. And for us, a recipe, a meal, a code is very important because it's the proof of the continuity of our civilizations. So for us, tasting is a way for the soul to valorize the gift of life. So when we taste even a meal or a wine, we don't taste only the products. In fact, we have a relation, a link with their culture. And we want this because they belong to the history of humanity.